ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ದಶಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸತ್ಯಭಾಮ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನರಕಾಸುರನನ್ನು ವಧೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈನ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದಸರಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ನರಕಾಸುರ. ಸೊ ಏನಿದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ?
See, actually we only have two kind of stories in the world, no matter what, where one is Ramayana, one is Mahabharata. Ramayana kind of stories are where there will be one hero and everything will be about that hero. And Mahabharata kind of stories are there will be so many characters. It will be about everyone. Only these two only are the films. So yeah, Dasara and this one is about this Narakasura element is there, but a different world, different story, different line, different narrative, different screenplay. You will watch it here.
ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋತಾರು ಮೊತ್ತಂ ಪೋತಾರು ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಕಾ ಅಂತ.
Yeah, correct. What do you say in the Kannada for that?
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ.
Okay.
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ.
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ರೈಟ್, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಶಿವತಾಂಡವಂ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
From 29th it will begin. Yeah, you will watch. Yeah.
ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ
Why Saturday?
ತಿರುಪತಿ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ?
No. That has a very good reasoning when the film begins. So basically Surya has anger issues. So his mother tells him to pick one day when you want to show the anger, not every day, because anger is very precious and you have to use it wisely. Why Surya picks up Saturday is there's a very beautiful reasoning, and I don't want to reveal it here. You should watch it in the film. Yeah. Weekend Surya, you can call it. Yeah.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
What's your name? Mangala. I'll write it in my book.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ?
No anger on you. I won't write it in my book. Only if I'm angry, then I will write. It depends on all the questions. Rest of the questions, yeah. Otherwise, not writing the name.
In personal life, when you get angry, like what is the reason to get angry?
I get angry, and I actually don't get angry much, but only time I get angry is when everybody is, when as a team, when we are working, when we are all giving 100%, if someone is not giving their 100%, and that is disturbing everybody's efforts, I get angry. It happens during shoots sometimes, but that also I don't react much. That happens very rare. I go listen to some music, I calm down and come back, that's all. Yeah.
ಸರ್, అంటే సుందరానికి బాగుంది, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಅವರು ಆತ್ರೇಯಗೆ ನೀವು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ? ಲೈಕ್
ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ನೋ, ಅನ್ಕುನಂತ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗలేదు. ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅನ್ಕುನಂತ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್. దానికి బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయడానికి.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.